Hi, it's Bill the Computer Guy, and so today I'm working on one of my favorite computers, and it's going to be a HP DV4000. And so if you have any of these you want to get rid of, please contact me. I will be glad to take it off your hands. Anyway, what I'm running XP on this one, and so what I have a couple of programs I wanted to show you. First is the Rkill. So the Rkill, I have it down here, and basically this is a sort of a DOS style program that's going to sort of stop the processes that are running and tell you which processes are running. And so at this point it's going to stop any programs from running. And so once you've stopped the program from running, you can run your antivirus or anti-spyware program. Now if you're doing biofeedback or other medical software programs, you probably want to dedicate your computer and not have it go online, and that's what this computer's for. I'm not going online and getting any updates, and so I don't have any. I've already cleared it of any viruses. There are no viruses on it. Occasionally you'll have to go here to my computer and properties and tools, let's see, where's my tools? No, you have to go here to your start menu, programs, accessories, and then system tools, and then a defrag, disk cleanup, or defragmentation. Just defragmentation will help your computer run a little bit faster. And you can press the analyze or defragment. So you probably need to check that every once in a while. Make sure your hard drive is running smooth with the defragmentation. Okay, the next program I'm going to talk about is the Revo setup. Now this is the older version. I like this version simply because now I'm setting it up here. It's the first time I've put this on the computer. The older version, if you want the older version, I can put it on your computer if you send me your computer. And so usually I do that for free, just for the shipping. Any biofeedback computers or therapy computers I do for free, plus shipping and or a donation. And so this is the Revo uninstaller. Tried to go online to grab the newest version. The newest version is basically a paid version, which I prefer not to have. So here it comes up with all the programs that are on my computer. Now sometimes if spyware or some virus or some odd program gets on your computer, you will see it here. And what you basically want to do, you'll see up on top, well, basically you click on the program you want to uninstall. And I'm not sure if there's any programs I want to uninstall at this point. So let's say I really don't mess with any of this stuff too much right now. But basically, you just click on it, and then up here, this uninstall will highlight, and you just uninstall it. And basically, it says, do you want to uninstall part of it or all of it? And there's several pages that says that, and then basically, we want to uninstall all of it. Okay? Just completely uninstall every nook and cranny, every file, dot, dash, zero, whatever, of that program. Okay, so that's your Revo uninstaller. And so here is, if you have any glitches, you can also go here. Sometimes you want to go to Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and System Restore. And so that's a little bit about computers and Windows. And so if you're interested in anything else, you can contact me at laptopsrepaired@yahoo.com or qxlaptopservices.webs.com. Thanks for watching.